So I have this Danby Dehumidifier in my basement, and if you look, there's a light showing up for the filter. So that means the filter needs to be cleaned up. I thought making a small video because I couldn't find a lot of videos how to clean it. So first of all, you turn it off, and then I will show you where the filter is and how we take it off. So if you rotate it, let's just go into the back if there is space. You can see there is a filter. It says filter here too, and it is actually really dirty. As you can see, a lot of dust has accumulated. So you can just take it off from here. If you actually pull this tab, it opens up and it comes out. And you can either wash it or vacuum it depending on your need. If you have time, you can wash it, let it air dry. If not, just vacuum it and put back. So I used a vacuum to clean this one, and it's mostly clean. But I will be washing it in the summer. It's winter right now. I need the dehumidifier to run, and so make sure if you wash it or clean it, don't use any wired brushes, because this is just like a very fine mesh, and that will destroy it. Otherwise, just wash it under running water and let it air dry. Or if you need quick cleaning, just like what I did, you can vacuum it. Now you can just push it back in and just fit it there, and it will go in. So now once you put the filter back, you can turn on the power, and you see the filter symbol is still blinking. So you can press it, it will go away, and then it's set up to certain hours, after which it will come up again, or if the filter is dirty, it will come up again, and you can do the same.